regarding automobiles, yeah. What does it mean to own a project car? Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe I should just throw away the key and forget about it. No. No.
I can't let my 20 subscribers down. The Mini will live again. I'm gonna need room to work. Welcome to the new and improved garage. From a state of chaos into slightly organized. This gives me way more room to work on the car. May not look like it, but there is actually way more room back here than there used to be. So that'll give me all the room I need to be able to work on this. Obviously the lighting is improved. I went from some old 1980s track lighting to some actual good LEDs. So you'll no longer get my videos with the supervillain lighting from the bottom up. It'll be well lit, hopefully. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't touched the car yet. It has been disappointing to get the car. Obviously the intro to the video is kind of a joke, but it is disappointing to have the car break as soon as, so soon into having it. But I've decided to fix it, whatever it takes. So whether that's a new engine or fixing the engine it has, I don't really know. So I'll have to get into it. But rest assured, you'll be with me every step of the way. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.